How to find posts, stories, and comments notifications settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find posts, stories, and comments notifications settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and here you will find your profile here in the bottom corner. Click on it, and then click these three lines in the top corner, and here you will find this one, settings, and then click notifications, and here you will find it, this one, post, stories, and comments. Then just click on it, and here you can manage post, stories, and comments notifications. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like, and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.